Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video at Moorhead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, if y'all would. So we have got, okay, I know, these goats keep getting out, and I've fixed this hot wire across the top 100 times, seems like. But Lucy is out again, and I'm not sure how, or where, or what, or why. So
she gets out. All the goats.
Can you get around behind her and shoot her in? You got the gate?
I got it.
All right.
Go on, baby. Go into your children.
Go into.
No.
Did you say go into your children?
With your children. Go to your children.
All right. So we need to walk the fence again, don't we?
Yeah, don't walk it. We have to walk the fence.
Hey, Halle, can you do me a favor? One more favor?
Yeah.
So I need you to, hey, listening? I need you to touch that electric fence to see if it's working.
No.
Please?
No. You. No, I've already got shocked.
Will you do it?
You haven't got shocked yet. Me and him have already got shocked. You touch it. You get shocked.
Will you do it real quick to make sure it's working?
Nah.
Nah. I don't blame you. So they've been getting out on this side. I don't know if you can see some of the brush chewed off down there, but they've been eating this. Which, if they would stay over here, it wouldn't be a big deal.
Whoa, look, berries. So, is it working? He's using his nail.
I don't think it's working though.
Yeah, look. That's where he's getting out at.
You think so?
It's pretty short.
Yeah, it's short. Is it not working?
No.
Oh, you got lucky, dude. I wish I would have lit you up. That'd been funny.
Since you touch it, it doesn't work. Not. Hey, look. Oh, it shocked me.
Did it really?
Yeah. Yes, I heard it go pop.
Did it really?
Yes. Yes, it went pop on him. I heard it. Does it hurt? No. Do you feel weird? Does your finger feel weird? No.
Touch it again then.
No. You.
It didn't hurt that bad.
No.
I'm pretty confident they're getting out right over here. I'm gonna see if I can crawl under this without getting shocked. Ah.
Hey, you're like a ninja. Oh, they could be getting out right there.
Yeah, they've got this broke off here.
That's probably where.
Yep.
Look, do you think I could break this when I hang on it? Yeah. I have a Tarzan place. Then like all the goats follow me too, because that's like where all the leaves are.
So I'm pretty confident that's where they're getting out at. Got that bound up now, so they shouldn't get back out. But
Look, they're all like busted.
yeah, is that what they're like?
Yes, they're all staring at you. They're like busted.
They're like busted.
Like busted.
Okay, that's different.
Busted.
We're going to throw some feed out here and see if we can get Bobby and Dixie to come up and see if we can pet them a little bit.
I'll do it. Let's take it.
Looks like this weekend we'll be making a trip to Stillwater Milling and filling this thing back up.
I'm out.
She's out, but I was going to take them to Chick-fil-A too, but now I won't.
What the heck? No, you weren't.
I was,
No, you weren't.
but now I guess I'll just go to Rib Crib since I'll be going by myself.
I'm just going.
Hey, Sissy, petting Bobby. Oh, Bobby. Pretty soon she'll get to where she doesn't mind. You can sneak up there and pet her though. walk up there real easy and pet her.
She's scared, you hear it? No, that's him.
That's Bobby.
He's eating. He's going yum, 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 yum. Get it, mosquito. Don't. Get a mosquito. Now, Dixie has blood all over her back.
You got a mosquito?
I killed it.
Bobby laying down. Look at Bobby laying down in there.
He's like, my food. You ain't having it. My stuff.
Oh. What was that all about?
Sorry, dude.
Oh. Is that pretty cool?
Did you get that on camera?
Nope.
Oh, if you did.
What's up, Thor?
Watch this. This is how he plays.
Wow. So Snowflake doesn't want MJ in there with her babies.
When are we gonna give Bobby away? I don't want to.
You hear him? He's saying, Sissy said he's saying, oh, that feed is good. Is that what he's saying, Hunter?
Felt like he go. He liked it. This is a softer. I can see like that's blood. I killed a mosquito on her.
Look how much bigger MJ is than them.
Yeah. Look, and they're almost big. You guys grow so fast. I hate it. She's like doing that.
Hey, just hold the gate. I'll be there in a minute. So as a lot of you guys know, we've put multiple layers of pine shavings and stuff down here. I think we may this fall have to, we'll scratch all this back and put it in bags and clean it all up and get back down to the dirt and then put some more layers down because it's starting to really pile up.
What is?
The shavings, it's all brown now. Remember how it was like yellow, like fresh pine?
Yeah. You're not gonna ruin these shoes, are you? See no egg.
You're the chicken whisperer?
I'm gonna get the rooster. It sounded like it was pooping on me.
It sounded like it was pooping on you?
It didn't.
Is that why you freaked out like that?
It went, like this. They don't like me.
Catch one of them turkeys.
No. The hens?
Yeah.
What I mean?
No.
These things are mean. You'll have to hold their head.
It's out behind you, Hunter. There's a big old turkey.
That one?
Yeah.
I'll catch a small hen, like that one. If you would come over here. You trying to catch a chicken? You may get you a chicken? No.
Hey, let's not get your church clothes all dirty. We gotta go to church here in a little bit.
Oh yeah. They're already dirty.
Well, let's not get chicken feed all over them. Okay, let's go. Grab the bucket. All right, so drop it down in the comments who all is going to the Okie Expo. We cannot wait to see you guys there. This is really the first time that we've talked about it on our channel.
The what?
The Okie Expo.
What's that?
The Okie Expo?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Halle, it's the Okie Expo.
You never told me what that is.
Oh, Halle.
My
So,
birthday's on Monday.
who all? Yeah. We'll tell her. Sissy has a birthday Monday, right? How old are you going to be? 6, 7?
9.
9? No, my little girl can't be 9. Don't turn 9.
Yes.
Yep, she's not. So we agreed Halle's not having a birthday this year.
Yes, I
She's
am.
going to stay at 9 for another year.
9?
8. You're going to stay 8 for another year. You're going to be 9. Blah, blah, blah. Anyways.
No, I'm going to actually turn.
So, by the time you guys see this
We'll
video.
go to Charlie's Chicken on my birthday.
By the time you guys see this video, it'll probably be her birthday or pretty close. So if you guys would, drop in the comments, say happy birthday, Halle. All right?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
So Okie Expo, we will be there. Day 1, 2, and 3. Hope to see you guys there. Day 3 will be fun for all the family and kids. I'm sure you guys have heard a lot of details from Keeping It Dutch, Hidden Heights Farm, and Walker Farm Fam, Adler Farms, the whole crew. So we will be there. Kids will be there. Hudson will be there, and we are going to be. We're looking forward to it. It's going to be very educational. There's some stuff that I really want to listen to, some speakers I really want to listen to, and just learn from them. You guys already seen the flyer that's out. We're going to have all kinds of vendors set up. What?
I want to know what this is bad.
She wants to know, so she's following me. So, if you guys have not went online, bought tickets for day 3, which is at the Expo building, go check it out, buy your tickets, and then let us know when you're going to be there. We'd love to meet with you guys, chat, catch up, all that cool stuff. All right, guys, so if you're excited as we are for the Okie Homestead, like this video, drop in the comments, let us know if you're going to be there, and we will definitely keep our eye peeled for you guys, keep our eye peeled for us. I think that's all we got on today's video. It's going to be a rather short video, I anticipate. Never know until you get the editing stuff out. I want to thank all you guys for clicking on this video, and if you like this video, he's about to tell you what y'all need to do. Hunter, if they like this video, what do they need to do?
Like and subscribe.
And?
That notification bell.
Why?
So you miss any episodes of our YouTube channel.
Yeah, so ring that notification bell so every time we upload, comment in the community page, anything, it'll alert you and you can catch up, keep up, and stay on top of everything more at Homestead. So, thanks for watching. Till next time, God bless.